Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save images to Capture album on the Adobe Illustrator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the avatar icon in the upper right corner of the screen and then click on Preferences. Here you have the Source Images section in the middle of the screen. If you want to enable the Save Images to Capture album feature, click on this button on the right side of the screen so that the source images will be saved to your camera roll in the album Adobe Capture. As you can see, it has been enabled, but if you want to disable this feature, tap on the same button again. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.